cursive lowercase q. This begins much like an A or even a C that you just practiced. Over curve, down curve, under curve to connect like an A. If I move my pencil kind of without lifting it up so you can see, slant, loop forward, which means go to the right, then an under curve. Over curve, down curve, under curve, slant, loop forward, under curve. Almost looks like you formed that A. There's my A, but I keep going down in my slant, loop forward, under curve. Some things to be careful of is not making that loop forward too wide. Having floating letters, you always want to be considerate of that. You can practice the word quit, Q, U, I, T still needs to come up to the top line, then cross it, dot my I. Here's something you'll begin to notice with cursive writing. The letter Q, it comes halfway into the line below it. Do you notice how I have the letter Q here and then I wrote the word quit? My T interfered with that Q. That sometimes happens, so you almost want to think about the alignment of your words. Or sometimes teachers may even ask you to skip a line if you're writing in cursive so that they don't interfere. So for the next word of quiet, I'm just going to be adding the letter E. So I will skip a line for you to see. Q, U, I, E, T. Cross my T, dot my I so that I can tell the difference between my U and my I. So again, do you see how this Q goes into the line below it? Don't try to squeeze your Q. Sometimes what I see is squeezing Q's into the same lines somehow, and then forming letters. You may laugh, but I do see it. So make sure you don't do that, that you want to keep that first part of your Q, which if I cover that up, looks like an A a little bit. You want to keep that on the baseline. One more word that you can practice is aqua. A, Q, U, A. Can also just try a string of Q's, again, so that you get the motion or the movement of how a Q is formed.